I'm Joanne Rogers. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. I wanted to jump on today and tell you a little bit about our Stamping Staycation. This is a virtual retreat, an all-day retreat where you get to just pamper yourself and immerse yourself in paper crafting. There are 3 of us demos here in Alberta, Canada, and we've banded together and we've created some wonderful designs for you. This is our 5th event. What it is that we launch a private Facebook group for all of our staycationers. And everything that we do is in that Facebook group. So we have a getting to know you session on the Friday night with some games and some prizes. And then in the morning, we have a little bit of a let's get going, rev you up session. And then we start every hour on the hour and we post a project and we do a demonstration for you live. You're not expected to do the craft with us. In fact, you're not encouraged to do the craft with us. And that's because we have so many people there that have different speeds that they stamp or paper craft at, and we don't want anybody to feel rushed or not be successful. So we post the live project, and then immediately following that, we send out the PDF with all the measurements and all the supplies and all the steps to make it. You can easily come back and watch the video as many times as you need to, but if you're not a video person, all of the steps are written in the PDF. So we do that every hour on the hour. So there's 6 projects there. Then we have 3 projects leading up to it, and they're already going on, and they're little challenges. And then we also have during the day tips, videos that we sprinkle throughout the day, and they're just ways to make your crafting easier, more fun, maybe save you a little bit of money, maybe use a supply that you purchased but you haven't ever used. It's not even out of the package. And then we also have in the middle of the day secret stamping, and that is almost the highlight of the event for everybody. So a couple days prior to the Saturday, we post all the supplies, all the measurements that you need, and you get them ready, and then we give you the clues and you stamp along and create a design. And then we ask you to post that in the comments so that everyone who's playing along can see what you did. So it's a great way to build a community. We have all kinds of comments flying back and forth. There's a few laughs for sure. We make bloopers because we're on live, and it's really just a fun day. So a couple questions that we have been asked is, do I need to be a Facebook user? No, you don't. What we do is we record everything and we save it to YouTube. So if you are more comfortable in the YouTube world, we send that out very shortly after the entire day is complete so that you can have those links and you can watch all of the fun there. Another question that we have is, do I stamp along with you? So I think I've answered that, but no, you don't. For the most part, you don't. And we just want you to enjoy the day. We want you to see tons of alternatives, because that's one thing I forgot to say. We show you a project using current stuff. So usually things that are out of the holiday mini, which is where we are right now, but we show you alternatives that give you some ideas about how to use some of the things that you might have in your own stash. And that's really, this is a big use your stash idea generator. So you probably have some stamps. I'll bet you have some paper and inks and colors and embellishments and ribbons. And this is a perfect way for you to start using them. Another question we get asked is, what if I'm busy on that day? That does happen. So it's September 11th, all day. This is a Saturday, September 11th event. And some people already have plans. If you do, you can watch whenever is good for you. So even if you have an appointment that day and you can catch 3/4 of the event, you can go back and catch the things that you missed out on a little bit later. So I think that's it for what I have to say right now. We are excited and we are busy prepping for you. We have some fabulous ideas and we want to share them with you. So if you would love to join us, and we would love to have you join us, then all you need to do is go to the link that you see on the screen right now, or if you're in my page, just click on the Get It Now button, and that will get you in, get you registered, and get you playing, because we're already playing. Thanks very much. If you have any other questions, drop me a line at joe@designwithjoe.ca. And if not, we will see you at Stamping Staycation.